Hi, this is Ms. Trevino, and I'm going to give you a step-by-step walkthrough of how to make a DNA model ornament. For my classes, I give you this worksheet that shows you what the DNA model should look like, and it kind of walks you through the number of beads that you're going to need for each thing. For this molecule, you're going to have a total of 10 sugars, which are these pentagons here that go down, so 10 sugars. And for this one, I have selected dark blue. So I have a total of 10 dark blue beads over here. And then the phosphates are going to be identical to the number of sugars that we have. So there's also going to be 10. So there's 10, and I selected like an orangey color. And then adenine is always going to pair with thymine. So they're going to have the same numbers. So adenine and thymine, A and T, are going to have the same numbers. And for that, let's say adenine, I've selected green. And for thymine, I've selected light blue. And you can see this because of the number of colors that I have right here. I've got 3 and 3. And then for guanine and cytosine, since I only have 2 base pairs there, I've selected like a clear, let's say clear for guanine, and purple. Okay, so remember A and T pair together and G and C pair together always. So once you have this and you've got your beads, you're gonna select them in a Petri dish like I've got here so that they don't roll around. And you also need 2 wires that are about 1.5 feet long. And you want to make sure that they're kind of straight as possible. So run them through your fingers, make sure they're smooth. And the very first thing you're going to do is take the first one. I'm going to move this out of the way here so you can see. Take the first one and meet the tips at the top and then fold it in half. And you don't want to crease it yet. But you're going to grab that tip and then you're going to pinch it and you're going to create a loop. So I'm twisting, I'm holding the 2 free ends and I created a loop, a loop, a loop. Okay, so then you have the 2 free ends at the bottom. This is kind of like our anchor point. This is where we're also going to be able to hang our hook for our ornament if we want to do so. All right, and then you're going to flip it upside down so that the loop is at the bottom. Okay. And then one strand, we are going to put the backbone of the DNA on, so one side. So we're going to do the sugar, phosphate, sugar, phosphate, sugar, phosphate, sugar, phosphate. And so we're going to have to alternate the colors between the most that you have of. So I'm going to take blue first, and then I'm going to do orange. So I'm going to do blue, orange, blue, orange, blue, orange, blue, orange. Okay, and then once you do that, you're going to do the other side. So I'm going to pause right here and get that done on this side, and then I'll show you what to do next.